Okay, here's the 2027 Mercedes C-Class. The luxury sedan is now not just changed, but evolved, more digital, more futuristic. Because the world of cars is changing. It's no longer just about engines. It's about software, screens, and digital experiences. And this C-Class is delving too deeply into that world. The latest version has even gone electric. Nearly 480 horsepower, 0 to 100 in around 4 seconds. Range approaching 400 to 470 miles. Super fast 800-volt charging. This isn't the old C-Class anymore. This is a new direction for Mercedes. And here the question begins to arise. Is this evolution or a loss of identity? From the outside, the design is cleaner, more aerodynamic, but also more generic EV. It lacks the distinctive character that used to be so strong in Mercedes. Get inside, it's like a digital cockpit. Large, full dash screen, AI assistant, augmented reality display, extreme ambient lighting. It all looks cool, but is it all necessary? Because honestly, sometimes the more features, the less driving feel remains. This car is now not just for the driver, but for the technology user. People who care more about the digital experience than the feel of the machine. And maybe this will sound harsh, but the C-Class now is starting to feel like a technology product, no longer a symbol of driving pleasure. The 2027 Mercedes C-Class is incredible, fast, sophisticated, modern, but also no longer as simple and pure as it once was. Now let me ask you, honestly, would you prefer a car that focuses on driving feel or a car full of technology like this? And in your opinion, is this the future or is it losing its identity? Let me know in the comments.